We'll start with an example based on priority encoder using generic array logic. 22V10 is a series. So the question goes like this. Design a priority encoder that has 16 inputs. So the 16 inputs starts from I of 0 to 15, a 4-bit encoded output, that is Z of 3 is to 0, and a valid output, that is 1 when any input is 1. So then input I of 0 has the highest priority and I of 15 has the lowest priority. So according to this question, so you have to use the I as the input, Z as the output, and the output valid should be 1 when any one of the input is 1. Otherwise, the valid output should be 0. Now in the next slide I am showing here. So this is a priority encoder. So as we know that priority encoder is nothing but a circuit or algorithm, so which compresses multiple inputs into a fewer or smaller inputs. So here for the given example, it is a 16:4 encoder. So it has a 16 inputs and 4 outputs. In the question they have mentioned the valid, that's why a valid output is also used in this encoder. So according to the question, here it has a I of 0 has the highest priority and I of 15 has the lowest priority. So based on that, we have to draw the truth table. Now, as shown in the truth table, so these are all the inputs. So here starts from I of 0 to I of 15. So these are all the input lines. Z of 3 to Z of 0, here they are output lines. So here multiple input lines are compressed into fewer or smaller outputs. So this is additional output valid. It should be 1 when any one of the input lines are 1. Otherwise, it should be 0. It is shown here. So any one of the, if any input lines are all zeros, means the valid should be 0. So based on that, we have constructed this truth table. So according to this truth table, here I of 0 has the highest priority. So if I of 0 is 1, whatever may be the remaining inputs, either 0 or 1, that doesn't matter. At that time, the output remains as 0, 0, 0, provided valid equals to 1. Similarly, it goes for I1. So provided with I of 0 should be 0. So I1 has the next highest priority. So like this, it goes up to the I of 15. So based on that, the outputs are selected here. So 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 1, around 16 outputs. Okay. So now our 16 combinations we can say for Z of 3 to Z of 0. So now using this truth table, we have to write a Verilog code. So here it is shown here. So this is a Verilog code. So here module, the name of the module is priority equation according to the given question. So Z has 4 bits, that is 3 is to 0. Output is valid here. Then the input is 0 is to 15. So input name is I here. So I am using an additional component called wire, and the name of the wire here is win. So it is used just to connect the input and outputs. So now, so first, as we know that it's a priority encoder. So first I have assigned win of 0, that is wire, equals to I of 0. So because I of 0 has the highest priority. So similarly it goes for win 1. The second highest priority here is I1. So if provided with I of 0, it should be 0. Here it is negated so that win of 1 should get as a 1. So that's why I of 1 ended with negation of I of 0 gives the output as win equals to 1. So based on that, here negation is choose for I of 0. So it will continue like this for win of 2 up to win of 15. So here these wires are assigned with the particular values of inputs based on the priority. Okay. So now we have to write the logic. So the logic here is, see the output Z of 3 should be equals to this much, that is win of 15 continuous to win of 8. So this equation or the Boolean equation is equals to the sum of product, and it is taken from the truth table which is shown here. So in this truth table, so look at the Z of 3 here. So Z of 3 equation or the logic value starts from 1, 1, 1 here at the last of the truth table. These 1, 1, 1 are belongs to or starts from I8 to I15. So at that time these values are 1, 1, 1. So it's nothing but, now using this truth table, I can construct a sum of product equation. And this I of 0 is related with win of 0 to win of 15. Here it starts from I of 8 to I of 15. So that's why the wires related with I of 8 to I of 15 are win 15 to win 8. So that's why it is written in sum of product equation. So that is of Z of 3. Similarly, it is written for Z of 2. So just go through the truth table here for the Z of 2. Wherever the 1 is there, that 1 belongs to the particular input line. Okay. So then that particular line is linked with the wire win. So that equation is written in the form of sum of product. Similarly for Z of 1 and Z of 0. So once we assign all the output bits, now we have to check that if any one of the input line is 1, then valid should be 1. So that valid output is written in this form, that is I of 15 or with I of 14 or with I of 13 continuous up to I of 0. So here if any one of the input line is 1, the valid will be always 1. If all the input lines are 0, then only the valid is 0. You can also use AND operation, but you have to use a negation so that it can satisfy the condition of given question. So this is about a priority encoder which is given in an example using generic array logic. So if you have any doubts, you can text me. Okay, we'll clarify the doubts. Thank you.